Hey guys, I just completed my mission. I took $100 investment and turned it into $1,000 net profit, and I'm going to show you guys the breakdown of how it went. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. I put out a lot of reseller information, bolos, tips and tricks, what sold, all that type of stuff to help you build up your business, or if you're starting to, give you ideas of how to do it as well. And for today, I'm going to give you guys a recap of the challenge. If you guys are new to this channel, what I did is I took $100 investment because I wanted to show you guys how easy it is for you to build up a store just with a little bit of money. Maybe it's money you got as a gift, maybe it's money you've been saving up, but you just need a tiny bit of money to really be able to build up a store and to be able to snowball it into a really big business. Now for this challenge, I took $100 to invest in inventory. And anytime I sold a product, I went out and I purchased more inventory to keep replenishing my stock and to be able to sell more and more and more. And so that's why I call this a snowball challenge, because I wanted to go out there and show you guys how you take $100 and snowball it into $1,000 net profit, but also so you could see how much inventory I still had left at the end of this challenge. And that is how you're able to build a business quickly with just a little bit of money. So for this challenge, I started on Halloween afternoon hitting up a bunch of thrift stores locally to me, and I ended it in about 5-week time frame. On December 7th is when I hit that $1,000 net profit threshold. So here I'm going to break down some of the numbers for you to show you guys how it went for me. I had a total spend of $500.05, and my total revenue over that 5-week time frame was $1,624.97. Now, taking out eBay fees of $201.68 and also shipping fees, which was $211.41, I had a total profit of $1,003.19 in about 5-week time frame. During this time, I sold 56 items and the average sales price was $29.02. At the end of this challenge, I still had 70 items available in my store for sale for a total inventory value of $3,012.50. And of those items, my ASP kept going up even over what I've sold currently. And right now, if I sold them at the current value, it's $43.04. I also still have $503.14 cash on hand to go and invest in more inventory. So as you could see, just taking that little bit of money, that $100, I was able to turn it into first the $1,000 in net profits, which then allowed me to keep reinvesting, and I have $500 on hand and I still have $3,000 of inventory available to sell. So I hope the one thing that you could take out of this is how easy it is to build yourself a resale business out of a little bit of money and a little bit of work. Now this only took me 5 weeks and I was able to hit that $1,000 net profit goal, and I have over $3,000 of inventory still on hand, and I still have $500 of cash in my bank for me to go and reinvest into more inventory as well. This is also good for you if you're looking to invest into new categories for your business. Maybe you've been a clothes seller for a while and you're looking at maybe video games. You're going to be able to take this $100 that you pull out of maybe your clothes profits that you've been generating and put this in a new category and test it out. Give yourself a month to 2 months, see how much it's able to generate and how much you're able to build that business just off of the returns that you've had currently. So if you've been looking to get into reselling for a while, or you're looking to build your business, I hope this challenge helped you. If you guys want to see how this challenge progressed, I put out videos almost every week. I think there was maybe a 2-week skip in there for Thanksgiving, but I put out videos to show you guys what items I bought, what items sold, and how much I paid for them, all that type of stuff, so you guys could have a big bolo list to go out there and to invest in your stores for a challenge of your own or new categories that you may be looking for. So if this video helped you guys out or gave you guys ideas of how to improve your business, make sure you hit the subscribe and the like. Even throw a comment out there as well. That'd be great. That helps my channel a lot. So thank you guys for joining me on this journey. It's been really fun. I really recommend it, even if you are a seasoned seller, to go and do this. It's a great way for you to track what's working, what's not, maybe looking at how you could pivot your business as well. It really helped myself out because it made me look at my ASP a little bit more, made me think about what type of inventory turns I was looking for, what type of sell-through rates, all that type of stuff, which I'm going to be highlighting in future videos as well, just the different learnings that came out of this. And thank you for joining me once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.